Hi, welcome to Katie's Minute Learn. I'm Katie, and today I'm going to show you how to get your website back up when it says website temporarily unavailable. So, my website was down only on my laptop. Everyone else could see it. I could see it on my phone. Clients could see it. I couldn't pull it up on my own laptop. So, what we're going to do is, or I'm going to do today, is show you how to do this through the terminal app through the hosts file. Okay, so to do that, we need to call up the terminal app, and to do that, I'm hitting to get the spotlight up. I hit Command and the space bar. I start to type in terminal app. It comes up like that. I hit return and it opens to this screen. Okay, so yours should look just like this with your own name in it. And then what I do is, what we do here is type in sudo space nano space / private / etc. / hosts. And you need to make sure you type it in exactly like this, because you can really goof up your computer if when you get into the terminal app. A lot of people don't like going in here. You can also do this from the Finder, but I wasn't able to, so I had to do it this way. So that's how I'm going to show you guys. So then you hit return, and it asks for your password. This is your admin password to your Mac. When you type it in, nothing shows, and you hit return, you get into nano sudo. So this is what the host file should look like right here. Mine did not, so I'm going to show you what mine looked like. Mine looked kind of like that, but it was missing this line right here, and it had my domain, and the IP address right here for my website was incorrect. So I could put the correct domain number here, the IP address, but I didn't have to. All I had to do was restore it using this code right here. And the way I got that code was going to OS Daily. I did a lot of searching online. I went here and they showed the default and original file that comes with a Mac. So that's what we're going to paste into that file. That's what's there right now, but if it's not there for you, you can copy this. And to do that, you select it, hit Command C, and then we're going to go to text edit. If it's not open, which it probably isn't, you hit Command spacebar to get the spotlight search again. Text edit. This is just one way to open it. Hit return, and text edit is open. Go to File New, and here you're going to hit Command V, and it pastes this into text edit, but you need to highlight it all and go to Format, Make Plain Text, convert this text, and you convert it to this. So this, we want to basically copy and paste this into here. That's what I did to get this. And to do that, you're going to have to, see this cursor here? You're going to have to bring it down with your arrow keys. Bring it down to that last line, and then you have to basically just stay on the delete button until you delete everything. So you can't use your mouse in here to select everything. So we're going to delete that, and I'm deleting what it just said, but if yours looks different, then that could be the reason you're having this error. So I'm going to just select this, Command C, go back to the cursor in the terminal window, Command V, and that's it. You just restored your terminal window. And then what I do is hit Control O to save it, and then you hit return, and then you hit Control X to exit, and then you're out of sudo nano hosts file back to this. You can quit your terminal, and that's it. I will post the links to this file or to this site and this page, and to the other pages that I used to figure this out. I eventually figured it out through Apple support community with all the info they gave me on there. And just reading online, I figured it out. So that was a big help. All right, I hope this helped you guys, and that's it. Make sure to like the video if you liked it, or hit subscribe if you want to subscribe, or leave any comments.